Fire near Hartsburg burned about 20 acres of farm field this afternoon. You can see the smoke there in this picture. Responders said a field of beans and the combine harvesting them both caught fire earlier today. After about an hour from getting to the scene, firefighters had that blaze under control. Now, the cause of the fire hasn't officially been determined yet, but the dry weather and machinery are suspected in this incident. Officials say this is the second combine fire that they've had in the area just this year. And let's turn